Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to solve some equations with cube roots. So you'll need your own piece of paper for today. You'll just copy these couple equations down that we're going over. So we're going to start with this one up here in the top right corner, or top left corner, sorry. So like with most of our equations, we're going to get rid of the constant first. So we're going to get rid of this minus 7 first. So we're going to add 7 to both sides. So that cancels that. I get n cubed equals, and then 34 plus 7 is 41. And then on our calculator, the way that we do cube root on the calculator is we push 3, second, and then there's this button right above x squared, and you can't really see it in this light, but it has like a little x with the square root sign. So then it looks like this. That's cube root. Okay, so then we're going to take the cube root of both sides. So cube root this side, cube root this side, and we get cube and cube root cancel, so we get n equals, and the cube root of 41 is, we will call it 3.45. Okay. All right, then our next one. We've got negative 6b cubed plus 7 equals negative 35. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to subtract 7 away from both sides. So we get negative 6b cubed equals negative 42. Then we're going to divide this negative 6 away. So we get b cubed equals, and then negative 42 divided by negative 6 is positive 7. And then we take the cube root of both sides. So we get b equals, and honestly, if we want, we could leave it as the cube root of 7. Or we can use our calculators. Again, push 3, second, and then it's like that caret key, the up arrow. And then let's put in 7. So the cube root of 7 is about 1.91. So either of those would be acceptable for your answer. All right, dropping down again to the next one here. I've got negative 13 equals 2n cubed plus 3. So we're going to start by subtracting the 3 away. So we get negative 16 equals 2n cubed, because these cancel. Then we're going to divide by 2, and now something is going to happen here. Negative 8 equals n cubed. So if you remember back to when we were doing square roots, when you tried to take the square root of a negative number, it didn't work. But cube roots can have negative answers. Okay, so this one's actually a perfect cube. So this is going to be n equals, and it's going to be negative 2, because negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, and then 4 times negative 2 again is negative 8. So cubes can have a negative answer. Okay, and then let's check out this one here. On this one, I'm going to start by getting rid of this plus 1 by subtracting 1 from both sides. So we get 4b cubed equals, and 0. All right, so then we're going to divide by 4. So these cancel. I get b cubed equals, and 0 divided by 4 is just 0. And then we're going to take this cube root of both of these. Cube and cube root cancel, so I get b equals, and the cube root of 0, well, that's just 0. All right, so then I'm going to have you guys try a couple here. So I'll have you try this one, and this one, and then this one, and then finally that last one down there. All right, and then that is it for today, guys. Have a good one.